Here for the daily update, Thursday, March 26, 2020, regarding the COVID-19 situation in Lloydminster. We'll start with primetime local news. They're looking here, what went into the city's decision to suspend public access to city-owned playground equipment, and why was this necessary?
It wasn't an easy decision for us to make at the city. We understand that a lot of people and families are home from work and they want to stay busy and using the playgrounds in Lloydminster. In the end, the decision was made out of abundance of caution for the safety of all of our residents in the city. By reducing the number of touch points on these hard surfaces at the playground, we can help slow the possibility of any kind of virus transmission in our community. And as well, the green spaces around playgrounds are still open, as well as our walking trails in the city. We do want to remind residents, if you are going out in the community, we strongly urge everyone to practice social distancing, and this includes not gathering in groups of more than 10 people and keeping at least a 2-meter separation.
And on that note, will there be any consequences for people who, I guess at this point, continue to use playground equipment?
We do believe that everyone in our community will take this virus and all the recommendations seriously. But we will be working with the Lloydminster RCMP to further educate the public and, if need be, their enforcement rules.
And with the city having to lay off some casual and part-time staff, what other service areas besides the culture and recreation were impacted? And to follow up, could more layoffs be coming?
Yes, so there was an announcement yesterday of some casual and part-time staff layoffs throughout the city of Lloydminster. Going forward with safety, continuity of service, and financial accountability as our guiding priorities, we must constantly assess and adapt our municipality's pandemic response plan to meet new and emerging challenges relating to COVID-19.
For this next question here, it's both Primetime Local News and 1061 The Goat. They both have this question. Can you talk a little bit more about the changes with the state of local emergency that came into effect today, and how may they impact residents?
Yeah, so there was a change starting today with our order pursuant of our state of local emergency. This is consistent with the orders from the Public Health Act and our Chief Medical Officer of Saskatchewan. So starting today, public gatherings of more than 10 people in one room are prohibited. There are some exceptions, including retail locations deemed essential. And how this will change businesses, there are new rules coming in with what are essential businesses and that are allowed to continue to run as normal. And then there are changes to non-allowable essential businesses that are prohibited from providing public-facing services. These, the non-allowable businesses will be shown on the City of Lloydminster website, and we recommend all businesses refer to the City of Lloydminster website for further information.
And then one other question here from 1061 The Goat. With the city's position, and now that both provinces have implemented penalties for people ignoring the public health recommendations, what is the city's position?
Yeah, so the City of Lloydminster is working with the Lloydminster RCMP to, if need be, enforce the rules of the state of local emergency as well as the measures from the provinces. There have been some analysis from the province of Alberta with community peace officers, and we'll continue to work through who and how we enforce measures in Lloydminster.